What's up guys, it's Kyle coming back with another video of an unboxing. This one is really special to me because I've been waiting so long for this to get here. It's the Rundeer Hummer e-bike and it's the best on the market right now, and I'm so excited to show you guys what it's capable of. You guys ready? Let's go. Whoa. Oh. All right. Ooh. All right, so now that we got everything open, so we got Allen keys. It's all the hardware and tools to assemble this, it looks like. Comes with the pedals. And left, right, got it. All right, now it's the final part. It's time to install the battery. Just gotta open it, fold it in. Now this goes just like here. Fold this in, right? All right, so we just power it on. All right, so the M right here, if you hold it for 3 seconds, that's the power on. And the up arrow is this different speeds. It goes up to five speeds, and then just up and down to see how fast it can go. Oh, it just goes. So this bike has 3 aspects. We have the complete electrical aspect, which is awesome, no pedaling at all. Makes it super easy. Or we can do a half and half, which is half pedaling, half electrical, which is a little less if you're tired and need to like take a rest. Or you have the complete Shimano 7-speed gear shifter, which is an incredible company, and then just it's all unplugged, complete workout. All right, so there's just 2 parts to closing this up and folding to put away. You open this, fold that down, and then right here. All right, you're good to go. All right, this bike has everything I need. It is amazing. You guys need to get one. All right, well, see you guys later.